Rapid New Energy Technology Company Limited is a high-technology company located in Linyu City, Shandong Province, China. We specialized in developing, manufacturing, and selling electric bicycle, electric scooter, electric motorcycle, electric tricycle, and other types of riding vehicles for more than just a year. We have multiple production lines, professional research and development and design teams, support OEM, ODM, and customized service. Our products are exported to more than 30 countries, including Southeast Asia, Middle East, South America, North America, Europe, Africa. Our company has passed CE certification and managed as the ISO 9001 quality system. We always adhere to the principle of customer first and quality first. We have a complete pre-sale and after-sales service system. With high quality and cost-effective products, we have really good support to the customers from all over the world. We hope to make our customers enjoy a better life with high-quality products and considerate service. Welcome customers from all over the world to visit our company. We sincerely invite you to join us to create brilliant future together.